This place looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the atmosphere. It's cozy but elegant at the same time.
Exactly. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time. You?
Same here. A friend of mine recommended it. He said the food is fantastic.
Well, I'm excited to try it. The menu looks great.
Yeah, there's so many good options. What are you thinking of getting?
I'm leaning towards the grilled chicken salad, but the pasta looks tempting too.
The lasagna caught my eye. I've always been a sucker for good Italian food.
Lasagna sounds really good. Maybe I should go for the pasta too.
You can't go wrong with pasta, but the salad sounds healthier if you're in the mood for something lighter.
True. But sometimes it's good to indulge a little, right?
Absolutely. That's the whole point of going out.
Good evening. Are you ready to order? Or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. I'll have the lasagna, please.
Great choice. And for you, ma'am?
I'll go with the grilled chicken salad.
Excellent. Would you like any appetizers to start with?
Do you want to share something, Sarah?
Sure, why not? What do you recommend?
Our bruschetta is very popular, and the calamari is also a guest favorite.
Let's do the bruschetta then.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
All right, one bruschetta to start, lasagna and grilled chicken salad. Would you like anything to drink?
I'll just have water, please.
I'll have a glass of white wine, please.
Perfect. I'll get that started for you right away.
I love when restaurants have good appetizers. Bruschetta is such a classic.
Yeah, and it's light. Not too filling before the main course.
Exactly. You know, I haven't had Italian food in a while. I usually go for sushi or something when I eat out.
Same here. Italian food always feels like a treat, though.
Do you cook Italian food at home?
I try. I can make a decent spaghetti bolognese, but it's nothing compared to what you get at a real Italian restaurant.
I know what you mean. I've tried making pasta from scratch once, and let's just say it didn't turn out great.
Yeah, making fresh pasta is a whole art. I wouldn't even attempt it.
Exactly. I'll leave that to the professionals.
Here's your water, sir, and your white wine, ma'am. The bruschetta will be out shortly.
Thank you.
Thanks.
This is really nice wine. I made a good choice.
That's good to hear. How often do you drink wine?
Not very often, just on special occasions or when I go out. What about you?
I'm more of a beer guy, but I do enjoy a good glass of wine from time to time.
You should try it more often. It's a nice way to relax, especially with dinner.
I'll take your word for it.
Here's your bruschetta. Enjoy.
Thank you. This looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Let's dig in.
This is really good. Tomatoes are so fresh.
Yeah, and the bread is perfectly toasted. It's got just the right amount of crunch.
I agree. This was a good choice.
Totally. I could eat this every day.
You'd probably get tired of it eventually.
Maybe, but for now it's pretty perfect.
So, how's work going for you?
It's been busy, but in a good way. We just finished a big project, so things are starting to calm down a little. How about you?
Same here. I've been working on a new campaign and it's been a lot, but we're making progress. It's nice to finally see things coming together.
That's great. It's always satisfying when all the hard work starts paying off.
Exactly. But I'm definitely looking forward to taking some time off soon. I could use a vacation.
Same. Do you have any trips planned?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of going somewhere warm. Maybe Mexico or the Caribbean. How about you?
I was thinking about going hiking in the mountains, but I'm still deciding. I love being outdoors, but a beach sounds really nice too.
Both sound like great options. Sometimes it's hard to choose between adventure and relaxation.
Yeah, I guess it depends on what you need at the moment.
Here's your lasagna, sir, and your grilled chicken salad, ma'am. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This looks delicious.
Yeah, the lasagna smells amazing. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks.
Wow, this salad is so fresh and flavorful. How's your lasagna?
It's fantastic. The sauce is rich, and the cheese is melted perfectly. Want to try some?
Sure, if you want to try some of my salad. Your lasagna is really good. Definitely comfort food.
And your salad is so light and refreshing. It's a nice balance.
I'm glad we ordered different things. It's nice to try a little bit of both.
Yeah, it's like getting the best of both worlds. I think next time I might order a salad too, just to balance things out.
That's a good idea. You can never go wrong with a salad, especially when it's this fresh.
Exactly. By the way, have you noticed how good the service is here? The waiter's been really attentive.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. It makes a big difference when the staff is friendly and on top of things.
For sure. It's one of those little things that can really make or break the dining experience.
Totally. I've been to places where the food was great, but the service was so bad that I didn't want to go back.
Same here. It's all about the overall experience. Good food, good service, and a nice atmosphere. That's the winning combination.
Exactly. And this place checks all the boxes. I'll definitely be recommending it to my friends.
Me too. It's always nice to find a place like this.
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of catching up on some reading. What about you?
I've got a few things lined up. I'm meeting a friend for coffee tomorrow, and then I'm planning to go to the farmer's market on Sunday.
That sounds nice. I've been meaning to check out the farmer's market. Do they have good stuff?
Yeah, they do. Lots of fresh produce, homemade goods, and local crafts. It's a nice way to spend a Sunday morning.
I might have to tag along one of these weekends. I love fresh, local produce.
You should. It's a great way to support local farmers and get some really good food.
How's everything tasting so far?
Everything's perfect, thank you.
Yes, the food is amazing.
I'm so glad to hear that. Can I get you anything else? Another drink or perhaps dessert?
I think I'm good, but do you want to share a dessert, John?
That sounds tempting. What do you have for dessert?
We have a lovely tiramisu, a classic New York cheesecake, and a molten chocolate cake that's very popular.
Oh, that's a tough choice. What do you think, Sarah?
The tiramisu sounds good to me. I've always loved it.
All right, let's go with the tiramisu then.
Excellent choice. I'll bring that right out.
I think tiramisu is one of the best desserts. It's light, but has so much flavor.
I completely agree. Plus, I love anything with coffee in it.
Same here. Coffee and dessert? Can't go wrong with that.
Exactly. Do you drink a lot of coffee?
I do probably more than I should. I need at least 2 cups to get through the morning.
Same. I can't function without my morning coffee. It's like a ritual at this point.
Yeah, I feel you. Coffee is life.
Here's your tiramisu. Enjoy.
Thank you. This looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Let's dig in.
This is so good. It's perfectly creamy.
Yeah, it's rich but not too heavy. Just the way it should be.
Agreed. I'm glad we decided to get dessert after all.
Me too. It's the perfect way to end the meal.
Definitely. I feel like this place just keeps getting better.
Yeah, everything's been top-notch from the food to the service.
I'm already thinking about what to try next time we come here.
Same. Maybe we can make this our new go-to spot.
I'm totally on board with that.
Awesome. So, are you ready to head out after this?
Yeah, I'm stuffed. But in a good way.
Same. Let's ask for the check.
Did you enjoy the tiramisu?
It was amazing, thank you.
Yes, everything was perfect.
I'm so glad to hear that. I'll bring you the check now.
I'll take care of this.
Are you sure? We can split it.
No, it's on me this time. You can get it next time.
All right. Deal. Thanks again for dinner. This was such a great choice.
I'm glad you liked it. We'll definitely have to come back soon.
For sure. Have a good night.
You too. Let's catch up again soon.